Okay, we create a change name in the previous lesson, but now we are need to create change grade. We just copy everything we have here, and just after cutting them, we create a function and call it change grade and give it dictionary, and then it's equal to our dictionary that we have. Okay, we have it. Now let's define our change grade. Def change grade dict. Now gave it everything. Okay, now we need to do what? We need to return dict. Let's run it, and now let's see if the programs have any problem or not. Let's run it. For example, first thing we need to check is add a student. It's working great. 3 Movica 56. Let's say Lantern 89, Lancer 78. Okay, it's worked great. Now call view. It also looked great. View names. Okay, we have a problem. Dict4 is not defined. If cmd is equal, we make our hand a little, and I don't know why we make such a stupid mistake, but it's okay. Let's run it again. Add a student. 3 Sarah 90, Movica Arlacino, for example, 78, and view. It's okay. View names. It's okay. It's gave us the name. View grades. It's okay. It gave us the grade. Now change name. Please enter a student ID. A student ID 2 Deluxe. Okay, now let's view and see. Okay, the Deluxe is happened. Now we need to change grade. Now, for example, for a student 3 to 100. Now view. You see, the code is as great as possible, and it's work really great. You can use it for everything you need. This is the end of this mini project that we create from dictionary and continue it up till now. Don't forget, if you need anything, you can ask me in the comments, and please like and subscribe, and have a nice night.